Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Azure for beginners. To begin, focus on understanding fundamental cloud computing concepts such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Next, sign up for a free Azure account. It provides a generous $200 in credit for your first 30 days. This allows you to experiment without immediate cost. Finally, dive into Microsoft Learn, which offers excellent structured modules tailored for beginners. Once you have the basics, start exploring essential Azure services. Focus on understanding how to provision and manage virtual machines and how to utilize various storage account types. A great next step is practicing the deployment of simple web applications using Azure App Service, which simplifies hosting. Don't forget to familiarize yourself with Azure networking fundamentals, including virtual networks and network security groups, as these are crucial for secure deployments. Practical experience is vital for learning Azure effectively. Dedicate time to building small, hands-on projects within your free Azure account. This reinforces theoretical knowledge. When you feel ready, consider pursuing the AZ900 Azure Fundamentals certification. It's an excellent way to validate your foundational understanding and boost your confidence. Additionally, engage with online communities and forums to ask questions and learn from others' experiences. As you progress, consider specializing in a particular area of Azure, such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, or DevOps to deepen your expertise. The cloud landscape evolves rapidly, so commit to continuous learning by regularly reviewing new Azure features and best practices. Remember, consistent effort leads to mastery. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.